Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch split 5-spoke wheels. A black MB text interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Painted all season and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Heated seats, memory seats. Smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls. Hard keys for our media display. Turn wheel for infotainment center. Dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 20,293 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.